Hey my fashion friends, it's me Elisa, and today we're going to try out the wood burning tool. It is my first time, so we're gonna see how it goes. If you would like to know how that turns out, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is what it looks like inside of the box. I got mine from Joann Fabrics for $14.99, but I had a 60% off coupon, so that is definitely the key. It has 4 different pieces that you can put on top, but it suggests that you use pliers if it is hot. So I have pliers on hand, but I won't be like switching in and out because I'm only going to be using the pointed one. Okay, so shout out to Anita Rivers, aka Classic Royalty. Hey girl. And Jonathan Kane, which I also saw this video on using a wood burning tool for appliques. So shout out to them. I will put the link below on all of their amazing work and their Facebook page where I got the information from. So I'm going to put that aside. What I was thinking is that I'm going to need something to protect my work area. I have my my mat on here, which is good for cutting because it heals on as I'm cutting, but it's not gonna do good when I am actually melting things. So I have this poster board, and then I have my fabric that I'm working on. It is a fabric that has like a lace detail on it. It has sequins in it, and it's definitely it has spandex in it, and it's definitely polyester. This would work this project would definitely work if you are using anything that's synthetic, because it will allow it to burn perfectly. So yes, I'm going to cut out some appliques on here. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my fabric out. And how I want it to be. And then I'm going to use a dark marker to cut out what I want. Okay guys, so this is what it came with on it already. And I had to get some pliers to remove it because it was on pretty tight. Okay, and then these were taped inside. So I'm going to use the one that is pointy. See, these are easy to screw on. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug it up. It has a button, an on and off switch, and then the plug is regular. All right, let's get started. Okay, after that concert, I believe that my wood burning tool is ready. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. On site, it looks like it's pretty hot, and I can feel it, and it's been about 45 minutes. So with my marker, I'm going to outline where I really want to have an applique, so make it easier for me to cut. I like planning, so yeah. Oh, I'm shooketh. Oh, this is so dope. Like butter. Oh my gosh. It's hot. You can smell it, and it's stinky too. I could have probably went this way. My first time using this thing. Let's see. Ooh, be careful. Okay. This will probably work best if you had a towel. Ooh, and it stinks awful. So, okay. With a little bit more practice, I can definitely not have like the crispy burnt edges from it burning a lot. But I would say this is awesome. So I know that I don't share a lot of my projects that I do on here because I'm usually talking about like unboxings and everything, but go ahead and give you a close-up look. This is for a size 2T, so on my mannequin, you guys can see the work that I have left to do. It's going to be a beautiful dress, and I'm so excited. All right, guys, that is the end of this review and tutorial. You guys got to see me make appliques. You don't have to buy them anymore from Etsy and wherever your favorite crafting websites are, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you one final time on what it looks like. I had to cut off a couple of pieces, but it's very clean, it's quick, it's easy, and it's cheap. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to all of my new subscribers out there. I see you, I hear you, I answer you. Until next time, peace.